So panel fabrication is really a large portion of our shop time in Albany. Most of the jobs that we design and put together an engineering plan for has the requirements of panel fab. Most of our panel fab is UL 508 type environments. Sometimes we're shipping equipment overseas, so our panel shop and our design team will build to meet the UL 508 along with CE type requirements. The unique piece around our panel shop is that we work closely with our design team. We have a close proximity between our designers and our panel team so that we can go through and make sure that all the terminals and all the equipment is put together per the design. And if there's any field changes or any red lines that need to take place, we can address that quickly and right on the spot in our shop. Our team has a lot of experience with Class 1, Div 1 design builds for hazardous industrial locations. We have and built systems that are intrinsically safe as well.